I am the heart of Doolin. I am Doolin, the dark pools beneath from where the music springs. You can feel me in your bones. You can hear me in the storms. I am the sound that is below sound. I'm the pulse that pushes spring flowers through limestone grikes. I'm the kiss that sculpts waves to tower over crab. In the autumn, cackle of fire under Fisher Street's thatch. I'm the Alley River that roars laughing into winter seas, and in the summer I disappear to whisper below. But I never go. I'm the cliffs that have risen and the cliffs that will fall. For 6,000 years people have slept, curled up in my dunes. Their ashes are now blowing with the sands and their tunes. Their axe heads lie buried. Lovers have loved in many tongues, and poems of many beauty penned through my many nights. I've seen the lives of many men, the wars they've fought and the songs they've sang. The Spaniards floundered on my rocks, and I cried those they hung, and whistled tears that made Maiko's fingers dance. 'Twas I melted tales on Hilary's tongue, dried the ink on the vellum of the laws of Brehon. I was the siren casting spells on writers of the day, flinging off their clothes to swim naked in Bones Bay. I've soaked the ages, and the flesh I've taken as it comes and goes, the seasons too. Here, time and limestone are porous. And though, for you, it may seem that the scenes of our midnight sessions have vanished like the passing of a cloud, really, old worlds and peoples never leave us, because I am always here, always true. I am the heart of Doolin. I